Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a scalping strategy you can use to milk the 1 minute time frame on boom and crash. Okay, without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then I'll be explaining how to take entry and exit with this strategy. So first of all, you click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we search for the fractals, which is our first indicator here. Alright, so these are the settings for the fractals. After that, you click on done. You are going to have this small dots here on your chart. Alright, then next we have the awesome oscillator. Alright, so you are going to be clicking on the main window plus icon here. You search for your awesome oscillator. Alright, so these are the properties for the awesome oscillator. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style, you make the volume up, you make it color green. All right, so basically this is the default setting. All right, but you are going to make the pixel, you make it 3. All right, if you set this volume up, this one will also be set like that. Okay, so after that, you click on done. All right, that's it for the awesome oscillator. Then lastly, we have the relative strength index. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this indicator in the 1+ icon here. You search for your relative strength index. So these are the properties for the relative strength index. The period is 1, apply to its close. The level, you make it 15 and 85. The color is red, 4 pixel. You click on done. The time frame, you leave it as it is. The style, you make the color red, 3 pixel, and then you click on done. All right, so it's as simple as that. So once you have set everything correctly, as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this. All right, so quickly, before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy, specifically designed for trading boom and crash. Okay, so if you're a beginner out there and you have been blowing your account, you can use this strategy I'm talking about to grow your small account. All right, it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or not. All right, the strategy is explained in a simple way that even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to grow, you'll be able to use it to grow your small account. Okay, so if you're interested in getting the strategy, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, back to this strategy here. All right, now how do you take entry with this strategy? Now for you to take entry, you need to follow some conditions. All right, you need to wait for some requirements in the market before you take entry. All right, now here on the indicator window, you need to wait for this green line here. All right, the awesome oscillator line here to get to the overbought level, which is our selling point. All right, before you think of to sell in the market. All right, so we are trading against spike using this strategy. All right, so you need to be very careful. Now you wait for spike to happen in the market. All right, then you observe your indicator window here. Now this awesome oscillator needs to get to the overbought level. All right, before you think of to sell. All right, now when it gets to the level, it's going to be initially green. All right, then when you observe for a minute, all right, when you observe for a minute, you are going to see that the fractal will appear on top the spike. All right, when price start going down a little bit, the fractal will appear. That is a signal that you should get ready to sell. All right, then the final confirmation is going to be when this green line here starts changing to red. All right, so immediately you see that the green line has started changing to red. That's when you go in. All right, now if you are in the market, when you place a position, you are going to be holding for 5 candles. All right, immediately you see that the indicator has changed to red, giving you the sell signal. You enter your position and you are going to be holding for 5 extra candles. All right, so you pick these small candles here, you pick 5 of them. Immediately you see that this green has changed to red. All right, so once you get your 5 candles, you exit immediately and then you wait for the next opportunity to present itself. All right, it's as simple as that. So one more thing. All right, this one is very important, you need to take note of it, and which is the analysis. All right, you want to always make your analysis from the higher time frame before you come back to the 1 minute time frame here to take your entry. All right, so this condition I explained is what you need to follow before taking an entry on the 1 minute time frame. All right, but also you need to first of all be in the same direction with the overall trend of the market. All right, by going to the higher time frame to do your analysis. Right, in order for the strategy to work perfectly fine. All right, so let me go again one more time for the condition. First of all, you need to wait for a spike to occur in the market. All right, now when there's a spike in the market, you observe your indicator window here. Now you want to wait for this line here to get to the overbought level. All right, now this is the first condition. Secondly, you want to see the fractal appearing on top the spike, and then thirdly, you wait for the green line here to change to red. Immediately it changes to red, then you go in for your sell immediately. Right, now that's that about that. Now for the analysis, you go to the 15-minute time frame. So as you can see, I initially draw my trend line here. So whenever you draw your trend line, and now the drawing of the trend line, you need to connect two structures in the market. All right, it's as simple as that. So you connect to structure. Now so long as price is below this trend line, then you are good to go on the 1 minute time frame. All right, so long as price, you connect this and this. All right, so long as price is still below it, all right, going forward, then the strategy will work for you on the 1 minute time frame. All right, but as you can see here, price broke out of the trend line, so it means that the trend has changed. All right, so you don't need to apply the strategy when price is above or has broke above the trend line. All right, you don't need to apply the strategy anymore. All right, so you can see here on the 1 minute time frame that ever since price has been below the trend line, the strategy has been working fine. All right, so you can see here when there is a spike, it got to this place, it changed to red. You'll be able to take your 5 candles from here before any other spike will come. All right, so you can see here again too. All right, price got to the overbought level. All right, the green changed to red. You pick your 5 candles here. All right, all this while price is below the trend line. All right, so that's how it works. So you must make sure that price is below the trend line on the 15-minute time frame for the strategy to work perfectly fine. All right, so you can see here price is below the trend line. Your indicator got to the overbought level, it changes to red. You'll be able to take 5 candles from here, and you'll be able to take 5 candles from here. You'll be able to take 5 candles from here. All right, so long as it's below it, you are moving in the same direction with the trend, your strategy will always work well for you. All right, so you can see, so the same thing applies on crash. So you can see here on crash, all right, same thing apply. You just do the opposite of what you did on the boom market. All right, so on boom we are selling, so here on crash we are going to be buying. All right, so you wait for a spike to happen in the market, you wait for your indicator to get to the oversold level, you wait for the, all right, so here on crash now, the indicator when it gets to the oversold level is going to be red. All right, so when it starts changing to green, that's when you take your buy on crash. All right, so it's the same method, right, but you just do the opposite. So that's how you go about trading with the strategy. And you also you need to go to the higher time frame to do your analysis, all right, in order to get a better trading result using this strategy. All right, make sure you always do your analysis from the higher time frame to get a better result using this strategy. So if the trend is against you and you come to the 1 minute time frame, the strategy is going to work, but it's not going to work perfectly fine the way it's going to work when you are in the same trend with the market. All right, so make sure you always do your analysis in order to get good results. Okay, so that's it for this video. What I want you guys to do now is to back test the strategy, or you demo trade it for like a week or two to see how it performs before you deposit money and start trading using the strategy. Okay, so that's it guys. For those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram community, the door is still open. If you want to join the Telegram community, you check the description of this video. You are going to see the link there to join. All right, so there in the community, I share free signals on daily basis that will help you grow as a beginner, and you don't need to pay for the signals. All right, so if you're watching from TikTok, the link is on my bio. All right, make sure to click on it, and in case you click on it and it refuses to go through, what you do is that you copy the link, paste it on your browser, and then you click on it from there. All right, so that's it guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Please, if you know you are getting value from this video, don't forget to subscribe and also give the video a like. All right, so see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.